Are you guys looking for a quick and simple DIY for spring? Well, if the answer is yes, I've got the perfect one for you. So if you're interested in seeing my quick and easy spring DIY, just keep on watching. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you will need are some jelly beans, and I have assorted colors. You will need a little cute bunny or a bird, a small apothecary jar, and this little, I can't really remember the name of this little string here, but you can get it at Dollar Tree. Just a piece of this, or you can use some ribbon of your choice, but I had this on hand, so I decided to use this one. Also, you will need a little bit of grass, a butterfly, a little bit of flowers of your color, and a cute tray of your choice. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the very first thing that I'm going to do is remove the lid from the apothecary jar because we will not be using it for this DIY. And then next I'm going to be putting all of these jelly beans inside of the apothecary jar. Okay, voila, I've got all of them in here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add yellow flowers right down in the center here. Oops, we forgot one little one, so we'll put him in there. Okay, I think that looks cute. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to tie this around here. And don't worry, it does not have to be a perfect bow. Just do the best that you can. So that's what I'm going to do the best that I can. When I have long nails like this, it's really hard to grab it, but I think I can do it. Oops. Okay, that doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this out the way. Get my little beautiful pearl tray. And then I'm going to add some grass in here. I tell you, this grass gets really messy all over the place. I have grass on the floor that I have to sweep up later. So you just break it up and just put it, a little bit even around the sides of the tray, like so. Next, I'm going to take the apothecary jar and place it right in the center. push it back a little bit. Next, I'm going to add the little bunny. Because you know he's got to be in the grass. Like that. Super cute. And last but not least, we're going to add the butterfly. And that's it, guys. That's how it turned out. I think it turned out super, super cute. I just love this. A quick and easy and simple DIY for the spring. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. And I really appreciate you subscribing. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope that I have inspired you to make something quick and easy for the spring. And I will talk to you guys later. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Happy spring, everybody.